Hello, my name is Curtis Ford. I'm the service manager here at Apple Ford. Today we're going to talk about some ROUSH performance. Melvin is a customer who recently purchased a vehicle from us, from our Mustang specialist, Mike Ashbury.
Good morning guys, my name is Michael Ashbury, Mustang specialist here at Apple Ford in Columbia, Maryland. Today I wanted to go over my customer and good friend Melvin's 2020 Mustang GT. Melvin came in to me a month ago and told me he wanted a Mustang, but he wanted a bit more power. So I recommended to him ROUSH's Phase 1 Supercharger system, which comes out of the box with 700 horsepower. This is a new 2.65 litre supercharger on the Gen 3. Few differences it has here. You have the different supercharger design where the intake comes out of the snout next to the pulley versus on the Generation 2 where it comes out of the back. Few different pieces here. We have the smaller supercharger coolant bottle, and we have a little window here for the air filter. Like I said, this is ready and tuned, 700 horsepower out the box. The most important two things here are you can roll this into your financing and it does retain your powertrain warranty with Ford.
I want to thank Apple Ford. This process, this transition, it came extremely easy. My technicians, Kyle and Corey, they did an amazing job. They're working together, keeping me informed with pictures and everything. It turned out beautifully. As you see, it's very smooth to the look and it has an enormous power. It's great. I really enjoy it, and I want to thank Apple Ford for all their good work.
Okay guys, so along with the current generation, 18 to 20, we still do offer ROUSH Stage 1 and Stage 2 supercharger systems for the Generation 2, much like on my 2017 Mustang GT. So, straight out the box, 700 horsepower with the 18 to 20. This one offers a slightly different supercharger system, 670 horsepower, straight out the box. Same as before, tuned by ROUSH. You can roll it into any financing, and most importantly, you will retain your factory powertrain warranty.
For all of your sales and service needs on your Mustang, please come visit us here at Apple Ford. We will be more than happy to soup your vehicles up and make them look and sound just like these.